How to insert a PDF in AutoCAD DWG. Hello everyone. Inserting a PDF into an AutoCAD DWG file allows you to incorporate external content such as drawings, diagrams, and reference materials. So here is a tutorial by which you can insert it. It is quite simple. You just have to open the AutoCAD software on your computer and open the DWG file where you want to insert the PDF. Access the Attach or Insert command from the File menu, and in this file, select on the reference panel. After that, click on AttachPDF and browse to the computer to locate and select the PDF file that you want to insert. Once you attach the PDF, make sure to select the relative path, select the page number, and then tap on OK. Now click on the border and then change in the contrast or fade and adjust it accordingly. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.